up, bowlers? Welcome back to the Bowling Knightz Garage Shop. I'm Joe Bowler, and this is Bud, and today we're going to be reviewing these new monster cleaners and polish that bowlingball.com was kind enough to send us, man. We'd like to say thank you and shout out to Tony Ramugo and Pyramid Bowling too, man. They sent us a nice little care package. Had some polish and some cleaner in it.
These nice little stress relievers.
Check out these stress reliever balls, man. They're little bowling balls.
Now you know when you're bowling, you get a little stress, little stress action.
You squeeze your balls, man. I dig it. I got one in my bag now.
And they're little bowling balls. Look,
yeah,
they got the little
holes, man. I dig it. They probably got these on the website, so check these out. They ended up sending us the Monster Gel Ball Cleaner. This is gel.
Yeah, they got three different
cleaners.
They all do
spray.
I think they all do pretty much the same thing,
but
they're
different.
Like that's a gel. This is the liquid, the spray, and then this one's a foam.
So we got three different cleaners, and then they sent us this Monster ball polish, man. So we're gonna try this stuff out. I got an old dirty ball here, man. This Motive Venom. I haven't cleaned this thing in a long time. It's probably got 30 games, 35 games on it. You know, I'm bad about keeping my stuff clean.
Yeah.
So,
you don't even move it out of his bag.
I don't. I keep my stuff
or
in
the car.
Yeah, that might be why it don't last as long as it should. But that's all right. So we're gonna hit these ball. And then Bud's gonna polish up one, and we're gonna see how this stuff works, man. Pretty excited. So let's jump right into it.
Jump right into it.
Yeah, absolutely. Here we go. Run, ball, run. That was pured. All right, here we go, Bud.
Try the gel first.
Which one you doing? The gel. Okay, we got the gel cleaner up first. Let me get a little close-up shot. There you go, man.
Smell like a little Windex
What's it
tea.
smell like? Yeah, man. Yeah, made a little Windex smell. It ain't bad.
That's what I mean. That'll do the trick on it.
It says in the directions just put a little bit on our cleaning cloth. We always like to use these Scotch shop towels.
Yeah.
They always work good for us. We've been using them for years. So here you can see how much dirt's on this ball. It's
there's a good dirty spot right there.
There you go. Hit that spot. Let's see. Let's see if it cleans it up pretty good by hand.
This is just hand. You can always put them on the spinner, which will get you better results.
Yeah, we got a ball spinner over here, but you know, it says a lot of people don't have spinners at home, so
a little dirt action there.
There you go. Pull all that dirt right off there. Oh, cleaned it up pretty good.
Yeah.
And that was the gel.
Yeah.
That was the gel, and we checked the website. This stuff is well, how much was that on the website, man? That was the one
that one was the
$10.49 for the gel. So
I can't remember if that could be 11, but
yeah.
I always like to tell how good the cleaner is by how tacky it is after.
Is it tacky? Let me feel it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, because that's gonna grip. Yeah, that's gonna help grip the lane too.
There you go. So, all right, there's your gel ball cleaner. Seems to work pretty good. What else? What are we going to now, man? Find you another nice little dirty spot.
We'll go with the spray. Let's get a new towel so we're not.
Yep, get us a new towel. We're going to do a little spray here.
This probably is the 4-ounce spray. A little,
yeah, this one's $16.99 on the bowlingball.com. Yep. So you just spray a little bit on your shot towel.
Yeah, it's a little stronger.
Does it smell stronger?
Yeah, definitely stronger.
Oh, there you go. That cleaned it right off, man. Yeah, there you go. Clean that dirt right up. Yeah, pulled it off. Dried off pretty good. There you go, ballers. Clean down.
That one's a little tackier, I think.
Yeah, it is, man. There you go.
That's what I like after you clean it, have a little tacky.
Yeah, you can feel it, man.
Yeah.
So there you go, spray cleaner, 4-ounce bottles, $16.99 on there. Pretty good stuff.
That one there.
Now here's another dirty spot. We're gonna jump onto the
foam action.
Yeah, I've never seen a foam ball cleaner before, man. Let's see what this stuff does. How many? What's this?
Liquid in the bottom. Yeah.
All right, this one's $11 or $12 shipped on for the foaming stuff.
And of course, they're all approved for USB-C.
All USB-C approved, and it says it won't damage your balls. So, yeah, we've never used any of this stuff. Let's check it. Oh, look at that foam!
Foamy.
Yeah, I dig that, man. There you go.
There you go.
Alright, man. Pop him on there. Let's see what happens.
You might not. I probably did a little too much on it. I'm not used to the foam, but.
There you go, man. Hit that. Alright, that's pulling it off pretty good too, man, ain't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Cleaned it up. Yeah, that ball's dirty, man. I need to start cleaning my stuff more often. Let's let me feel that one.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Is that real taggy?
Yeah. Oh,
that's pretty taggy too, man. Hey, I'll take the foam. You like the foam?
I like the foam.
Like the foam. There you go, boss.
I like this one's probably the strongest.
There you go. That's a spray.
Maybe the second strongest.
$16.99.
I'd say that's the third strongest.
There you go, man.
As far as
there's
pulling
your monster ball cleaners.
Marks off.
Just whichever one you prefer. You know, the foam's pretty cool, but which one did you prefer the most, man?
I like that one the best.
You like the spray?
For cleaning.
For
Seemed like the
cleaning?
marks came off a little easier with that one.
There you go. There's your spray.
But that one's probably the second strongest with the foam.
Foam, okay.
And the tackiness was probably the best with these two.
Gel, man. Let me check
And
the
the gel was
consistency of that gel. Let me see what that feels like.
Oh, you want it? Or you just want
Yeah,
me
just
to
put a little bit on that rag there, man. I know. Let me feel of that.
Throw it in your hair, little hair action.
Yeah, man. Hey, I might be able to use that for hair gel. You might try it out later.
Put it in there.
Huh?
Oh, he ain't gonna do it. He said he was gonna throw some in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You're gonna put some hair gel in there.
I thought you was actually gonna do it.
Use that as hair gel. It smells alright. It smells a little bit.
That one's
like
a little
Windex,
tamer. I
but,
think that's a little tamer.
Yeah, there you go, man. So there you go. Let's hit this polish. Let me do this polish, man.
All
You
right,
hold this camera for me.
I like the smell of the polish too.
Does it smell good?
I mean, it don't smell. I mean, it's not real strong. All right, we're gonna go.
Ain't bad, is it?
Yeah, it's not too strong.
All right, let's jump on this, man. We got a
old GB3.
GB3 here.
Got some lines on it, and
Got some lines on it.
where Jay laid his out, his 3x1x2.
Yeah, my son likes to practice laying balls out. He's 3, so he's getting pretty good at it. So let's throw this bad boy on the spinner. This says you can use this to polish by hand, but we got.
Yeah, we like polishing usually by spinner.
Yeah, so let me grab one of these new.
Get a little more heat on it.
Get a little more rotation. We got the spinner in the shop, so I always grab 2, so don't burn my hand. This is the way we do it. I always just put a little. Oh, well, there you go. That's alright. Usually, I'm not used to that spout, but
There you go.
see how this polish works. We usually use that Storm.
Storm's pretty good right
We've
here.
been using that stuff for years, so
That's react to shine there. It's pretty good stuff.
yeah, it's pretty good. We like using that.
Very reputable.
Yep.
Usually anything Storm makes is free. You can rely on it. But we're excited to try some different. Well, I'm always excited to try some different,
Absolutely.
different polishes, different cleaners.
Let's pull this off here.
And the Big B is what we use. This is what we usually use as far as cleaners.
Yep, Brunswick Big B is what we've been using for a while.
That's pretty good stuff.
Dang, look at that, man.
Hold on, let me get back.
Mmm.
Yeah, you see a little shine there.
Yeah, man.
Did it warm it up?
Yeah, it's warm.
Yeah.
You can tell a big difference on that side.
Yeah,
right
you can
there,
tell on
man.
camera. Yep.
There you go. I mean, it polished it up good.
Yeah.
And, this is the Monster Shine ball polish. They sent this to us in our care package, so
Polishes, I like to go by how they roll afterwards, because
Yeah.
sometimes just because it's shiny don't mean anything.
yeah.
I mean, you want a good reaction afterwards too.
this stuff right here, man.
If you don't want the ball hook, there you go.
Yeah, if you don't want your ball to hook at all, man, this is
There
the
you
stuff
go.
you want to get. So,
Yeah.
all polish.
It'll shine it up.
Yeah,
All polishes will usually shine it up, but it's
Yeah,
just
so-
the react. You want a good reaction with it too.
So we're gonna have to take this stuff and we'll polish
Yeah,
one up that we're
try
gonna
it
take
out.
to the lanes and we'll report back.
Yeah.
But I mean, it polished good.
Yeah.
The nozzle come out a little I'm
Well, you're used to that.
You know, I had to squeeze it pretty
He didn't
good,
look
so.
beforehand.
I did not look beforehand. I should have looked beforehand. You're absolutely correct. So yeah, this stuff smells pretty good. Seemed to work pretty good, but we'll take it out there and see how they go. So there you go, man. So
yeah, we appreciate the.
Thank you, bowlingball.com, and
absolutely
for the stuff.
Yeah,
man.
the samples.
All this stuff seems to work pretty good. So if you're,
I mean, they just didn't just send us samples. They sent us the. I mean, we're gonna be using that for a while.
Man, yeah, we're gonna be using this stuff for a long time. So thank you very much.
Yeah, we appreciate that.
Check these out, man. If you're looking to try something new, a new cleaner or a new polish.
Yep.
Hey, it's you know, it's cheap, ships free. So check them out. And we've done business with Bowling Ball. We buy stuff from them all the time. So
yeah, from what it seemed like, this one's probably the strongest.
All right.
And that was probably the second strongest, and that was probably third strongest.
Yeah.
As far as taking the ball, this was a lot easier to take the ball marks, I think.
All right.
But that's our review as far on tackiness. Both the foam and that had a lot of tackiness.
I did like the way the foam. I mean, it
the
really
tackiness,
up,
yeah.
And yeah, it was. But I mean, you can see his ball's clean. It's tacky.
You can hear the tacky, yeah.
There you go, man. So that's gonna do it, man. I'm Joe Bowler. That's Bud. So hey, we'll be back with another product review here soon. I'm sure we'll be reviewing something. So see y'all next time.
Yep.
Later, bowlers.
Later, America.
Gonna take my balls to the akimbo.
I got my balls in my sack, sliding soles attached, shirt is all black, fellow bowlers just a match. Now I've got a fork, you can keep the sport. I've been at the alley, up in every shot with her now. Ain't nobody tell me nothing, ain't nobody tell us nothing. Billy bowlers, y'all, ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Gonna ball till we can't no more. What's up, bowlers? You want to?
What's up, bowlers?
Let's do it. I want to.
But you have to have the bowling ball facing the thing, though.
Don't do like that. We squeeze our balls different.
You look like you're squeezing nuts.
That's all right.
I was swaying. I'm getting in position.
You're blocking it.
No, I'm not. This is when I do that, I am, but not in my regular stance. I'm not. But see, I do like that to get ready.
I can stand still, or you.
Huh? Huh? You can't because you got hiccups. What the hell's going on?